Hey guys, how you doing? Thanks once again for bidding on my box break. It's the box break that includes the certified, the blaster box of Zenith, and the luxury suite. I'm probably going to shoot this video in two parts just because it's quicker to upload, but we'll see how it goes. I've started doing this now. I had some people ask me to include a date and time. Actually, just one person. So I'll definitely start doing that. And thanks for the feedback. So it's 1:32 on January 5th. My box break just ended on eBay, so we're going to get going right away here. We'll start with the certified box, and the code is right there. Hopefully you can pick that out there. It's NE191037-206. So good luck. Okay, first pack here. Okay, we have a hit right away here. We have a goalie pull card. It's Roberto Luongo from the Vancouver Canucks. So that's a goalie pull. It's not numbered, and that'll go to the Vancouver Canucks. So there was nothing in that pack. That was a dud, hopefully the only one. Okay, we got a hit in this one for sure, at least one. We have a numbered card, 133 out of 199. It's a red parallel of Mikko Koivu from the Minnesota Wild. We have a spacer. New York Rangers. Looks like we got a good hit in this one as well. Actually, we have a really nice hit in this one. This is a patch card. A unique one. I've never seen this before. It's got the Made in Canada symbol on it, and it says 1 of 1. So it's not numbered, but you can see in the top corner it's Patrick Coletta, and it's got a Canada flag. So that's a really nice hit. Made in Canada is on there as well, and up in the top corner here it says 1 of 1, but it's not a numbered card, it just says 1 of 1, so that's a really nice hit. So that'll go to the Buffalo Sabres. Have another hit here. It's Gilbert Perreault, 985 out of 999, and it's an Immortals card. That will also go to the Buffalo Sabres. We have a spacer. We have a certified signatures, Chris Van de Velde. It is a signature card for the Edmonton Oilers. It's not numbered. So far we got some pretty nice hits. We have another nice card here, really nice. 152 of 250. It is a certified icons of Bobby Hull. So that is a really nice hit as well. Getting some really nice hits out of this box. And that'll go to the Chicago Blackhawks. Spacer. We have another hit here. It's a Fabrics of the Game, 231 of 299, and it's Cam Fowler. That'll go to the Anaheim Ducks. Okay, we have another hit here. It's a dual card, so I will randomize this after. It's number 1 out of 399. It's a Path to the Cup with LA Kings Trevor Lewis and the Vancouver Canucks Henrik Sedin. So we will randomize that after the break and find out who gets it. Okay, last pack here. Hopefully we get another good hit. Well, we do have actually 2 hits in this pack, so save the best for last. First one is a numbered card, 325 out of 999. It is Carey Price of the Certified Stars of the Montreal Canadiens. Next we have another hit here. It's a number 11 out of 250. It will have to be randomized because it is a dual card. It's a dual patch card, Path to the Cup. It's for the Boston Bruins and the Washington Capitals. It's Zdeno Chara and Mike Green, so a couple of good defensemen. That's a really nice card as well. and we'll randomize that for after the break. Okay, so as I mentioned, I am going to do these videos in 2 parts, so I'll be back with the second 2 boxes here, or the box and the blaster box, in just a little bit. Thanks a lot.